guys, it's Lisa here from the Daily Life, and thank you for coming in for another Cook With Me video. And if you happen to come across this video and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can be notified for more cooking videos like this. On this video, we're going to be making Keen Ranch Chicken Casserole. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that we're going to be needing. In this bowl right here, I have 1 cup of diced white onions and a cup of diced green bell peppers. In that bowl right there, I have ½ pound of chopped mushrooms. And then here I have 2 cups of cooked and diced chicken. It's chicken breast. What I did was I just boiled it. And then back there I have 1 pound of shredded cheddar cheese. And then here I have 1 can of the Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies, 1 can of cream of chicken, and 1 can of cream of mushroom. Here I have 2 tablespoons of chicken broth, and then here I have 1 minced garlic clove. Here I have 13 corn tortillas, which I went ahead and cut into quarters, and then here is about a tablespoon of chili powder. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven for 350 degrees. We're going to grab a large pan and we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of butter to it. Kind of let that melt through. Okay, so once the butter has started to melt, you're going to add your onions and your bell peppers. And you're going to add your mushrooms. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to saute the veggies. Just get them real nice and soft. The one thing about this dish, it's really good. It's really delicious. It's really easy to put together. The only thing that is time consuming is the prepping. So now we are going to add the rest of our things. Okay, we're going to add our cream of chicken soup, our cream of mushrooms. We're going to add our Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. We're going to add our garlic, our chili powder, and chicken broth. Okay, now once we've added all that, we're going to give it a mix. And that's it. We take it off the heat. Alright, so now here we have a 9 by 13 inch pan. So we're going to start layering it. I'm going to show you how to do the layer. Okay, then we're going to add our chicken. We're going to add the chicken first. And now you're going to add that sauce right on top, just like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to keep repeating the layers until you're completely out. Okay, so this is what it looks like at the end. So now we're going to stick it into the oven. So this is what it looks like when it came out of the oven. I let it sit for about 20 minutes. I cooked it in a 350 degree oven for 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and cut into it. Alright, so that is how it looks. It's really good. You're really going to like it. It's great leftovers. I think it tastes even better the following day. But thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.